You smiling for your mom? Come on, smile for your mom. Want to smile? No. No. Get that video camera out of my face. I am trying to take a nap. Oh, it's a big yawn. Oh, goodness, it's hard. Hi, Blue Eyes. Hi. You have a question. Do you have a question? You're very cute, Mr. Luke. You have a question again? I have another question. You're so polite. I think your question is, where's my boob? Okay.